here from Total Home. I'm on site at a property that I'm ready to get staging. Today is styling day. I'm really excited about it. Yesterday we actually happened to come in here and we brought all the furniture in. And I just wanted to show you sort of a before and after of a space prior to showcasing, to styling the property. We've got the foundation ready with the furniture in place, which is great. So you get an opportunity to see floor plans. So we've done a really great job of creating a proper floor plan for this space, but really the essence of a beautiful space, especially in staging or even for living, is to really layer in all those beautiful finishing touches. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna help us to make a house a home. I'm getting excited, ready to start to style this space. We're in the entry. I just wanna say to you, in conversation with my client, she was questioning whether or not we should actually style this space, and I just want to say from the perspective of the buyer that this is such a key space for you and it shouldn't be overlooked. You want something here so that when your buyer walks in, they have something to land their eye on. It gives them something interesting to look at because they're already starting to judge and evaluate the space. And anything from the vantage point of your entry is really, really important. We have a dining room area, so we have to really clearly define each space. For example, this area over here, you can visualize this being an extension to your dining room. So we're gonna create a little vignette there. We've got this really great open concept living room. Really important when styling open concept that you have that clear, concise color continuity, theme and flow concept going on here. We're gonna put artwork up on the walls so that we have some really great focal points, that everything seems and feels balanced. We have that really great balanced approach. Also, layering in all this beautiful accessories will help to reduce some of that echoey sound that you're hearing right now in the video. So all of those layers will help to add all those comfort elements in the space. I just wanted to talk to you all a little bit about this wall. You'll see that we have this incredibly long wall, and oftentimes what ends up happening in spaces like this is trying to, it actually sort of looks like a bowling alley effect. It just is really, really long. What we're gonna try to achieve in this space is to break this wall up so it doesn't feel so cumbersome and overbearing. It oftentimes, when you have long spaces like this, floor planning becomes a challenge, and clearly defining the spaces become a challenge. So you're gonna see that with some creative artwork and placement of furniture, that we're gonna actually be able to break up this wall and create more zones rather than this big giant wall. So we are not gonna ignore the staircase here. Beautiful architectural staircase in this property. We're just gonna add a piece of art up here so that everywhere you go through this property, you have an experience. That's really important. Every corner you take in this property, we want it to be something that wows you. I'm just gonna show you and introduce you to the flex space in this house. This could be a den, this could be a child's play area, or it can be the home office, which is what we've done here actually for you. So we've got a really beautiful floor plan, and now we're just gonna bring it to life with some really great accessorizing. This is the master bedroom of this property. So again, like I said, we've got all our furniture on here. Now we're gonna create the master suite or the master oasis. This is the room in the house, the bedroom in the house that people come to see. They really want to fall in love with it. So layers and textures and textiles and all those beautiful things, that's what helps to create that really beautiful hotel quality finished outcome in this property. We have another little sort of flex space up here, and what we're going to do, because there happens to be a rooftop patio up here, so we wanted to make sure that we styled this space. Love it. We're going to create like a little lounge area up here so that we make good sense of this space. Our rooftop patio. How amazing is that? Hi everyone, we're back. We've finally finished our staging project. We've been here all day working really, really hard. And I just wanted to take you for a final tour and just show you around. This home had already some really beautiful sort of bling aesthetic to it. So we sort of carried that theme going throughout, and we added some really pretty soft feminine touches. The grays help to neutralize some of that, so you'll just notice there's a lot of gray and white and a little bit of a blush color here, which is a brave color to work with, but it's so soft and serene, and it ties in really beautiful with this kitchen cabinetry, you'll notice. Large dining room and walkway leading out to the backyard. So we created some vignettes here in order to break this wall up like we talked about, create some focal point to this room, and added definitely some greenery. It's my favorite, helps to break up the color and add some texture and life to the space. So I'm always a huge fan of adding greenery. You'll notice our outdoor space. We did a little bit of touch there, just added some beautiful outdoor furniture, a couple of textiles, just some really great outdoor design stuff there. Living room, very cozy, very inviting, extremely soft, a little bit of glimmer, which creates a beautiful mosaic on the wall, just a really soft, soothing, comfortable space. In the kitchen, we just kept things really, really simple. Most of the time I find that people, when they style their kitchens for sale, they literally leave the island space barren. I'm not a fan of doing that. I don't think you need to add a ton to this space, but certainly add a few kitchen design aesthetic pieces that help to support the look of the kitchen, make it look really pretty, but also sort of invoke that lifestyle component to the kitchen. Really important detail. We have this great big grand island, so we've done a really simple styling on here just to showcase how great this space can be used as a breakfast eating area. So just love that effect. So we're just gonna head upstairs now. I'm gonna show you that flex space that we turned into an office. We just added a really pretty simple piece of art here just to add some color and depth to the hallway. We just created this really simple, sophisticated, classic home study. Welcome to the master bedroom. Just did a really soft, sophisticated blue-white theme here. Just love the classic colors of blue and white. We really just tried to create a master bedroom oasis in this space. We have a large cathedral style ceiling height in here, so we just added some really great artwork that keeps drawing your eye upward and really showcasing that amazing high ceiling. We created a little bit of a sitting area over here by this beautiful window, and we used some really dark colors to ground that space. And again, carry sort of that little blingy theme vibe going throughout this entire home. The ensuite bathroom we kept fairly simple, just kept the color scheme moving throughout this space because master bathrooms, ensuite bathrooms should definitely carry the same color scheme as your master bedroom suite. So let's go ahead up to the third floor. We have the rooftop patio and small simple lounge area. As you'll notice, again, we just added this great piece of artwork here. It has lots of color and texture, keeps you interested as you carry yourself through the property. And welcome to this simple, sweet little lounge area at the rooftop patio. Can you not just envision sitting here having a cocktail with some friends over, just enjoying a nice little relaxing glass of wine together as you decide to come up to your rooftop patio. And again, we just kept the styling up here really simple, classic, and elegant. How fun is this space? Don't you just feel like you want to sit up here and enjoy some time with some family and friends?